Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Today, we are going to learn how to order a coffee.
It is a bright morning at a small cafe. The cafe smells of fresh coffee and warm pastries. Inside, there is a barista behind the counter. A barista is a person who makes and serves coffee in a cafe. A customer walks in. A customer is a person who buys something in a shop or cafe. The customer really wants a cup of coffee. The barista smiles and says, "Hello." The customer smiles back and says, "Hello." Now the customer wants to order a coffee. But what kind of coffee? The barista explains, "You can say, 'A black coffee, please.' A black coffee is coffee with no milk." The barista continues, "Or you can say, 'A white coffee, please.' A white coffee is coffee with milk." Then the barista adds, "You can also ask for a latte. A latte is coffee with a lot of milk." The customer thinks for a moment and then says, "A latte, please." The barista smiles. "Of course." Now it's time to ask the price. The customer asks, "How much is it?" The barista replies, £3, please." The customer takes out some money and gives it to the barista. The barista takes the money and gives the customer a tall, warm cup of latte. The customer says, "Thank you." The barista says, "Thank you. Goodbye." The customer waves and says, "Goodbye." The customer enjoys the delicious latte and leaves the cafe feeling happy and ready for the day. Ordering coffee has never been easier.